Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Lengkap aja itu, dan kali ini kita akan melanjutkan SOLIDWORks exercise yang membosankan, yaitu exercise 29. Ya, langsung mainkan Hold My Hand.
I hear the flowers gotta cry loud, the breeze is silent sad. Oh no, tell me when did we become so cold and empty inside? Lost away a long time ago. Did we really turn that blind? We don't see that we keep hurting each other, no. All we do is just fight. Now we share the same rights, same wrong. Why don't we share the same love? Tell me why not? Life is shorter than most I thought.
Hold my hand, there are many ways to do the right. Hold my hand,
Turn around and see what we left behind. Hold my hand, my friend, we can save the girl.
spirit with you for another chance, and let's pray for a beautiful world.
Beautiful world I share with you. Hold my hand.
120 dan
Children seem like they've lost their smile on their new bloody playgrounds. Oh no, how could we ignore heartbreaking crying sounds? And we're still going on like nobody really cares. And we just stop feeling all the pain because like it's a daily basic affair. Now we share the same rights, same wrong.
why don't we share the same love?
Tell me why not?
Life is shorter than most that thought.
Hold my hand.
40,5
There are many ways
to the right.
Hold my hand. Turn around and see what we left behind. Hold my hand, my friend. We can save the girl. Spirit with you for another chance.
And let's pray for a beautiful world, a beautiful world I share with you.
No matter how far I might be, I'm always gonna be your neighbor. There's only one small planet where to be, so I'm always gonna be your neighbor. We cannot hide, we can't deny that we always gonna be neighbors. Your neighbor, my neighbor, we're neighbors. So hold my hand.
There are many ways to the right. Hold my hand,
Turn around and see what we left behind. Hold my hand. There are many ways to the right. Hold my hand. Turn around and see what we left behind. Hold my hand, my friend. We can save the girl. Spirit in you for another chance.
and let's pray for a beautiful world,
A beautiful world I share with you.
seperti jam. Ini harusnya 1,2.
In a time of darkness and grief, it is your light that we need. You came to teach us how to live.
Muhammad ya Rasulullah. Salah
You
cuy.
were so caring and
kind.
your soul was full of light. You are the best of mankind.
Muhammad
خير خلق الله
Sallu ala Rasulillah Habibil Mustafa. Peace be upon the messenger, the chosen one.
Luxury you turn away, and all night you would pray, truthful in every word you say. Muhammad ya Rasulullah, your face was brighter than the sun. Your body itu mainan. You are Allah's chosen one. Muhammad
Farhotillah Sallu ala Rasulillah Habibil Mustafa. Peace be upon the messenger, the chosen one.
I try to follow your way and do my best to live my life as you taught me. I pray to be close to you on that day and see you smile.
When you see me, Sallu ala Rasulillah Habibil Mustafa. Peace be upon the messenger, the chosen one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 1 Upon the messenger, the chosen one. Sallu ala Rasulillah. Peace be upon the chosen one. Coba ya sesuatu. Satu ini play. Jadi begini buat total berapa?
अल्लाह ही अल्लाह किया करो, दुख न किसी को दिया करो, जो दुनिया का मालिक है नाम उसी का लिया करो। अल्लाह ही अल्लाह, अल्लाह ही अल्लाह,
Allah hi Allah किया करो, दुनिया किसी को दिया करो, जो दुनिया का मालिक है काम उसी का लिया करो। Allah hi Allah, Allah hi Allah. Oke, untuk exercise yang ke-20 selesai. Sampai jumpa di video selanjutnya. Bye bye. Nah.